this evening. I only have 2 permanent stands up on this farm. I have one on the south side and one over here on the north. But the one on the north side, I'm gonna move it eventually. So the field that I've been wanting to hunt really bad on this north side of the farm, I hunted a few times last year and seen quite a bit. But I went ahead and set up in here. I'm on the north side of the bean field, and then out back behind me I have a ridge and a water hole up on top. Also on top there's a thicket grove, I guess you could say, and about every single tree in there has good rubs on it. So hopefully we can see some mature on their feet today. I haven't really seen a whole lot of mature bucks. I've seen a couple before the season started, but they must have wandered off because I haven't seen much. I've seen a few maybe 2.5-year-olds and a bunch of does, so hopefully we get a mature guy on his feet this evening and we'll get it done. Hey guys, we still have about an hour left of daylight. Still haven't seen any movement. Hopefully within this next hour they start getting on their feet, moving around, trying to feed out into this bean field here. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a hunt from a couple weeks ago where I harvested a doe. I'll throw that up for you guys. I didn't get the recovery video because my buddies that were gonna help me out, they ended up having plans, so couldn't really drag a deer, half a mile and through the creek by myself and film it all. But either way, I'll show you the moments leading up to that shot and go ahead and show you the harvest of that doe. Well, it's October 5th. It's mid-60s right now, so it's not too bad out. I've had a couple buddies see a lot of movement lately. I seen 5 bucks on their feet the other night, so I'm hoping that they're starting to move a little bit earlier. I'm set up on the north side of the farm tonight, so I know there's a couple good bucks over here, so we'll see what happens. sneezing real bad, and they ended up working down into the creek behind me. Well, the other three ended up going to the south side of the creek. This doe I just shot, she walked over here and took a shot at about 20 yards, so there's still deer in the area, so we're going to sit here for a few minutes and let her expire and see if anything else walks out. Well, it's been about 30 minutes since I shot that doe, and the movement tonight's starting to pick up pretty good. I've seen about 3 or 4 does since I shot her in a little spike, so hopefully I can get some